Hi friends, it's Yana here today, and once again, welcome to my channel. If you are new around here, I'm so glad you're here. I am a sewist that loves to teach you how to sew, and we sew in the back of a camper. We're in the middle of the move right now, so this is where I get to sew. And I'm so excited to talk to you today about what we've got coming on this weekend. But first of all, I just want to say Happy Mother's Day. So I'm really hoping that I can release this video today because it's just a quick checkup video, so I should be able to, but you know how that usually goes. So today I am wearing a Blythe dress. I love this dress. This is from Made for Mermaids. It's made in a Hachi, I think, and it's just a one layer. It's really, really cute. 3/4 sleeve. I wear it all the time, so I just wanted to show it to you. So that's super cute. But I wanted to kind of share what are some of the sews that are coming this week. All right, so first of all, on my table is a sew that I started last week. I started, I think, on Friday. No, on Thursday. I started on Thursday, and I have it's a tutorial that's going to be coming onto my channel on Thursday, I think. I'm really hoping I can get it done before then. It's another summer top pattern tutorial. I'm making 4 tops, and some of you asked me about the waterfall raglan, and I am making 2 waterfall raglans, and I'm making 2 free patterns as well. Okay, so let me show you a sneak peek of the sews that are coming on the next sew along. I have the Bethel top by Tiana's Closet, and I've got all my pieces together. This is just a sneak peek. It's a V-neck, and you're going to have to watch the video to see the end results. I also have cut out already this one is the Basili shirt by Tiana's Closet, another free pattern. Again, you're going to have to check out that video to see the whole sew along. But I'm using that pretty eyelet fabric that we've been talking about. And then here are my 2 waterfall raglans. And this one's got a little bit of you're getting a little sneak peek of a little something that goes on this one. I'm not going to show it to you. You're going to have to see it for yourself when you watch that video. And then also this other waterfall raglan. So cute. I love this pattern so much. I was so excited to sew those up. So I do a tutorial on that. So these are the tops that are going to be in that tutorial that I'm hoping will come on Thursday. Now, another thing that I finished this week is I finished 2 new pairs of bottoms, and these are woven pants, and these are coming to Ellie and Mac. So I give you a sneak peek. Same pattern, 2 different styles. So you got to be on the lookout for that, and the video is also coming, and I think it should be coming this coming week. Well, this week. You say coming, but it's really this week. So be on the lookout for that. And then I also was going to tell you today over at the Ellie and Mac YouTube channel, the Not So Basic Pants tutorial release. And that is the pants that I showed you last week where I did the 3 different styles of the same pattern. So make sure you go check that out over there so you don't miss it. I think they're such quick and easy pants that you're going to love to sew them up for summer. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. I don't have much of anything. I just have these things that I want to finish up next week. I'm super excited about. I still have my shorts cut out here, and that's another thing that you guys asked for, some shorts and some pant patterns. So I'm going to be working on that hopefully for the week coming. But anyway, I'm super excited about it. I hope you have a lovely day today. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers watching. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our tutorials. Lots of free pattern tutorials. Any questions, comment below. Let me know what you want to see. And anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye.